Hello, hello. It's Jackie from Pocket of Preschool, and I wanted to show you the Food, Math, and Literacy Centers unit. So just like all the other units, it has 2 fine motor, 1 reading center, 6 literacy, 8 math, and then it also has organization labels, and then it also has all of the teacher direction pages. I keep mine in a little book ring with in like the plastic sleeves. So, and then I keep like any of the worksheets behind it. So I have all the printables ready to go and all my teacher pages. So that is included. And like I said, it has 2 fine motor. This is the first one. So it is a lacing jars activity. So they're lacing all the different colored jam, which is also sorting by color. The cutting craftivity is this taco cutting craft. So there's 2 options. So they can either use just the strips and they can cut just on the line for an easier cutting activity, or they can cut all of the different toppings and make their little taco. It does come with the large circles and they fold it in half and then they put all their toppings in. So it's really, really cute and would make a really fun bulletin board, but it's a really fun cutting activity. The Writing Center has uppercase and lowercase vocabulary cards. It comes with paper. The paper has 3 options. I typically use the half sheets, but it also has lined, unlined, and then blank. A really fun idea you can do with the word cards is they can build little word kebabs. So that's really fun. And then you can also put the shopping list activity in the Writing Center as well. And then it has 6, oh my gosh, okay. It has 6 literacy activities with it. So we have the first one. These are peanut butter and jelly matchups. I don't have all of them out. You don't always have to have all the letters out. So they match the uppercase, the lowercase, and the sound. I just made a little fun little tray, and it also comes with a some worksheets, and you can either just use the letters or you can add the sounds. So there's worksheets for both ways to use that activity. We have these read, build, write mats. You can put it in a little dry erase pocket and then reuse it. There's little letters, cards with little food, and we have uppercase or lowercase, and you pick. You can have your students build with the Play-Doh, or you can have them build it with like beads or something, and then they can write it, or they can also do sight words, and again, worksheets are included with that. We have Letter Dot It, and it also comes with uppercase, lowercase, or sounds. It's really fun to use cereal for them to cover up all of the letters. And then we have a lunch syllable sort. So they are going to grab the lunch item and then count how many syllables and put it in the bag. We have a Goldilocks and the 3 Bears retelling pack with it. We have all the story cards as well as a story map for my kinder teachers. And you can also have students vote on their favorite character. And then we have a shopping list activity. So there are word card or like little printables, pages of all of the different types of food. Again, an uppercase, lowercase set. And then there are shopping lists included, full page. And then there's some with lines or without. And then let me show you all of the math activities. So we have a sorting activity, and there's a couple different ways you can sort it. You can sort it by food group. You don't have to, again, use all the food groups because they're kind of confusing. You can also do healthy, not healthy, or I think it's healthy and then treat choice. If you don't want to say not healthy, you can also sort the foods by color, and then there is a worksheet included. And then we have a what's for breakfast, what's for dinner, or what's for lunch path game with these little printable dice. So you make it the level appropriate for your students. We have numbers, dots, and then this one has +2 or minus, +2, -2, +1, -1. So again, use what works for your students and the level that they need. And then we have a STEM challenge. We're working on you can either do preposition words and they can build under, over, all around, or you can work on 3D shapes. You can also do matching 2D shapes. We have corn shapes, carrot shapes, eggplant, and potatoes. And again, there's a worksheet included. You can make the class book, Apples Up on Top, and you can read This is great to talk about too, about like where food comes from and all the different types of farms. They have like orchards and all the different types of farms. And then we have a counting activity. And this one has a lot of different options. So we have a board that goes to 10, to 20, to 100, and to 50. And you can print it on colored paper and then use something like coins. They just cover it up. Or you can use it as a printable, and they can use a dot marker. We have these pattern block pages. I think there's 8 of them included. These are just kind of some fast foods for these pattern block mats, and they come in color or black and white. We have a salad counting or addition, and it's up to you which board you use. So for the top one, they're adding, and then the bottom one, they would just count. And then I made little toppings just with some pom-poms, and I just cut the cheese and the tomatoes. So they just pick a card, and they pick one of each. And then they would count out that many if they were just doing the counting board. And then they would count and put that many in their salad. And we have worksheets to go with both levels. This is the game I stepped on, so I messed it up a little bit. So how you play this is you put the scoops in, like you can have them on the table, in a little tub, whatever you want to do. And you pick the numbers you want your students to do. It goes all the way up to 20. So again, you can do numbers 1 to 10. You can do numbers 1 to 15, 1 to 20. You pick. I just put some little cotton balls in here. So they're working on different ways to represent numbers. And again, we have worksheets to go with all the different levels, or both levels, 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So this is the Food, Math, and Literacy Centers pack. If you have it, go download it again because it was updated, I think, about 2 weeks ago. And if you don't have it, you can go grab it with the link and use it in your classroom and have a ton of fun. If you have any questions, please let me know.